Or catching up to Autumn real quick.
Bodies here.
Yeah, but
Oh!
Well,
No.
big camp.
major
Oh
point.
my god.
Jackpot!
Get up!
Yeah! 20 points!
Yeah.
Yeah!
Drove out of there quickly.
We're good! We're good! No! We're not good!
No.
To pick us up.
No, this was a race.
If you don't have a golf cart, it doesn't count. What's our
I'm pretty
plan
sure it
of
still
action here,
counts
guys?
because last time I checked, I saw ahead of
in their
you.
camp.
Ah!
Don't get down yet.
Hey, Pajama Gang, we got this! My bag is so far away!
Help! Help! They're gonna eat me! Ah! Leave me alone!
I gotta respawn.
Nice. They have more of those bullets. Let me grab my bow. Keep distracting them.
I'm
Yep.
killing all of them! I'm out of ammo! Run!
One's
I
dead.
can't run. I'm tied up again.
No!
Ah!
Is it
Can't
safe?
aim quick at all.
I'm coming!
There's two guys behind me and I can't.
Oh my god, 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 oh my god. Get down, Sparky, get down, get down, get down!
I'm trying.
It's just this guy, it's just this guy. I can distract him,
There's one big guy in the camp just standing still.
Hurry, just
He's
get
right
down.
behind you, hon.
Get your stuff and run. Get your stuff and run, get to the cart.
I'm getting fucking cutscene. Won't let me skip it.
Here, get in the cart. I'm down.
No, just go, just jump into the back seat. Go.
Get in, get in.
No, I got mine. We need two going
You
back
guys?
home. We need at least two.
No.
Oh my god. Oh my
I'm down.
God, you guys are so far away.
Back up.
I
How do you
can't.
I'm
drive
gonna
over
die, I'm gonna
something
die.
like that?
No, Sparky. No.
We got this.
Do I need to
we got
respawn?
this.
No.
I'm respawning, so this time we got it, guys. This time we actually got it. We got it in the bag.
No.
He's chasing me. I'm not shooting, but he's chasing me.
There's more people now. How is there more?
I just spent cuss on my laptop.
Joe,
Ah!
chasing me.
Don't hurt!
Ah!
I'm up and safe. I'm up in here. I don't know if they can crouch like this. I'm gonna do aerial support. Jello, get over here.
I'm getting my stuff.
Alright, well I'm safe over here.
He's holding a child. Put him down. Sparky, I'm
fuck.
coming. He's leering over you as if you're his.
Do I need to respawn?
No.
Oh, he's pushes by my car! He slapped the fuck out of me.
Ah!
Oh, he got me too as he hit me. Okay, I'm gonna respawn again. We got this. Respawn number 3!
Oh, you
my
good?
god.
I
I
thought
thought it was
it was
so
perfect
funny. It was perfect
timing.
timing.
Why didn't
But
I get
you
an
got-
achievement?
You're getting.
Oh! What?
Help. I'm bleeding.
We're coming.
I can't. There's
Oh
just
my
so
God.
much going
Oh, I'm
on.
down.
I can't do this.
Oh,
I
I'm down,
can't.
by the way. You
I'm
can pick me up.
coming. 1 second. You're
We're
both
both
down.
down.
You're both.
I'm gonna fucking kill
Good.
No. Okay.
I can't believe what's going on.
Oh.
I'm down.
I'm going to fucking kill myself. Respawn or?
Yeah, respawn.
Oh my god.
Alright, just give yourself a second. Oh my god. There's a pot of guts in the basket.
Where am I?
There's a pot of
You guys are really laughing about that Sea of Thieves thing.
Okay, there's also a jar of guts in like a
It's
human
in my eyes!
guts in
It's in my
the
eyes!
golf cart. You're good for right now. There's nothing on you. Just run right over where I'm going. As long as we all stand up.
Fuck.
I'll try to fade her over here if I can.
Ow.
You're funny.
You're over here.
We covered them in fire. Oh, the door down!
That's my
God!
fur.
Oh, because
You
now
good,
I
Otto?
think it's generally safe now. You're never gonna make fun of me for hitting another goddamn tree.
Valid. There's someone really running after you, by the way.
We're gonna hit him, don't worry.
Maybe. We don't hit that tree first. Big. We're home!
An animation of falling. You're not actually doing that. It's just me
sleeping.
on my side. Are you kidding me?
Ow!
Ah, just
Ow.
save. The door's glitched, or is it closed? No, 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 no! Guys!
Walked in. I got eaten by a shark.
Oh no.
Why we should get eaten by a shark?
Because we're in the water. Sparky, are you at a camp?
I am. Like, did you guys have 4 creepy crawly dudes and then, or 4 spiders and then 3 of the finger guys?
No, we just had a
No, we
little
had-
of everything.
Yeah. And it was like demons, man. That was insane that time.
What did we
Hey.
not deal with is the question. Skin pack. Two skin packs.
Because that was my skin pack.
I can't pick any out.
Get off, go away, shoot. Okay, we're fine.
Goodies.
Alright.
Any of the bitches running?
He seemed like he left.
I'm getting ready to close the door as soon as you two get in here.
Oh, I'm coming. Let me just get my skin packs. Okay, I'm coming now.
I see Jello, Spectre's in. I'm just waiting on Otto. Is Otto already in?
I'm already in.
Alrighty.
Okay. Can we sleep?
Sleep, sleep, sleep. Sleep.
I'm trying to keep following those. I'll get them later, I guess. Alright.
Oh, thank
Nice.
Yay! Save. Save. I'm coming. Do we have any sticks? I got these ones.
Yeah. We're gonna need like 4 more, but
Thank you. Okay. And then I got a tree. Nice.
yeah, but we need more logs in general, so
Indeed. Yay! Okay, you can come put it in now if you have more sticks. We have enough now.
we need a place to hide.
Oh, okay. Does anyone have a fur?
I have a fur.
Do you want to use it for something else, or do you mind putting it in?
Nothing.
Thank you.
There you go.
Yeah!
There he is. Just trying to get rid of the thing.
Watch out, I'm coming in. Wait, where
He's
is he?
inside.
Oh,
Yeah,
never
he
mind then.
is. What's up, dude? Hey, come over here. That.
Ow.
Yeah, back up.
Poke him. Yeah! Oh, this looks so nice! There's so many!
Go on.
Oh my god, they're coming in! They're coming
I'm
in!
down.
I got it.
There's so many on Spectre right now.
Where is he? Shit.
I'm like gonna die.
They're cave people.
Ah, you.
They're cave people. They're
I'm
cave
down.
people.
I'm really low.
They're hurting each other. Where are you?
I'm in the
Fuck.
base, like literally.
They need to get
inside.
closer.
He's
Okay,
on my
okay,
body.
I need him
okay,
closer.
okay. Open, damn it! I'm coming.
I got one that's being electrocuted.
Leave him alone!
Good job.
God damn it.
Don't go out.
Oh wow,
Electrocuted.
electrocuting one? Damn.
I know, it's cool, right?
Ah!
Nice. If you can pick Otto up, he could probably help you. He's gonna die.
I need to. Come on! Leave!
Yeah, I'm dead.
No! Ew. I'm wet.
They're all coming.
No.
Arrows,
Back.
bro.
Nice.
They're lungers. They jump.
I hate the way they walk. Ew.
Ew.
Careful, because they will lunge at you. Hi, Calvin. You're cool. You're good. You're good, dude. Stop panicking.
Ah.
When we get that shotgun, I literally have 22 shots.
We honestly probably should. But we should probably get that wall
I'll
built.
drag him over here. Come here, boys. Come here. Oh, I see you now.
Ow!
Now I'm down. Oh, this dude's such a bitch.
I'm coming.
Got one down.
The ghouls are the hardest because they take so much to kill them.
I'm out of arrows.
He's down.
Hang on, I'm coming. I got Spectre. Ah! What? Yeah!
We must build the wall, guys.
Okay.
The wall.
I'm making a foundation. Don't worry about the thing I'm doing.
Help you if you need.
In there
Should-
too.
Well, I can build a large amount, or I can cut a large amount, so don't worry.
Okay.
I'll say, well, how exactly we want this? Because they will jump over the river.
Well, we're gonna build it all the way up till here, and then we're
And
gonna
then
build on
across.
this side, and then we're gonna build a gate
Okay.
at some point. But just for now, build the wall.
We'll make them defensive spikes.
And maybe
later.
bring it like 4 more logs up.
So,
Exactly. So 2 more. Hi, Kelvin.
I got the 2. I got 2 right
Calvin.
here.
go get.
All right, and then after these 2 logs, I'm gonna start curving it inwards.
Okay.
Go clear 20 meters.
There we go.
That's what I
look,
want
it's
you to
already-
do.
Yeah.
Go do that. But then why are you over here?
It wa-
Help us. Cool. Great. Calvin, you're doing a great job.
What is he doing?
I have no clue.
I'm a bad bitch. I need my strength up.
Calvin's finally doing his job.
What is he doing?
He's clearing trees.
Nice.
But they can jump really far, so they might be able to just jump over here.
We also didn't put spikes on it yet. Yeah. Oh, maybe. Just wait for it. They're gonna go and cross, aren't they?
Yeah, they're just gonna cross. That's not my gun.
I tried. Damn.
Come here.
Where's the other one? Oh, it's stuck.
Oh, no more arrows.
I'm gonna go behind and pick them. They're behind you, Spectre!
I'm down.
I'm coming.
Is it the other one?
There's 3 or 2, yeah.
At least I died from Can you revive me again?
Yeah, 1 second. I don't want him to die. Back up, back up, back up, back up, back up.
Motherfucker out.
Damn it!
Okay. Come on. Come on.
Is it dead?
No. Dead.
Now he is.
Well,
Now he's
so
afraid.
yeah. Yeah, no,
Why did he
over
go
here,
straight for Sparky?
Reload, reload, reload.
Hey, that is my wall.
I can't
What
carry
is-
anymore.
This. Oh, you just floating.
Skin
in the
pack
middle.
over here, if anyone wants one.
They see that we're building a wall, and they're just.
They're like, no, no, no.
No, no, no! You can't shut us out.
This job is clear. Oh no. Oh no.
Bye, you What? Spectre?
No.
Oh, I'm hearing Sparky cut. Never mind.
Oh, wasn't supposed to do that.
Why is that one just in the air?
What?
Oh, he's definitely lagging. Jello, back up. Jello, back up.
It's fine. He's running to the invisible wall.
There's so many.
Yeah. Yeah. Keep doing that.
What are they
Yeah.
running into? Oh.
Oh, one fell off. Crying to.
Watch out.
Oh, he fell.
Give me these. I don't know if I got shot or if I got hit. That one was definitely.
Red man's down, I think.
No.
Finish him off.
I don't know, but you hit me.
Oh, sorry.
Leave us alone.